Oh, coach, can you please help me teach me some hand release techniques?
Okay.
I can.
I'm going to teach you how to some hand release. Why are you holding your hand like that?
I can't release it
Okay.
because I can't release it.
Let's just do this. Okay, I'm going to teach some hand release technique today. Okay, I'm going to teach some hand release technique today, this morning. Okay, what happens if somebody catch your hand like this, right, in a cross manner, right? So in Wing Chun, we know the basic in the first form is the Tan Sao. So just do the Tan Sao here. Now, see? Do the Tan Sao and then do the Chi Jump, right? The forward palm and it's release. Okay, one more time. Somebody grab you here. So do the Tan Sao and push, right? If you do the Tan Sao, you also can do the other hand to push, right? Near the wrist there. Okay? So somebody catch you, Tan Sao and push. The Tan Sao should be forward, right? So this. Okay, forward and then use the other hand to hit. Okay, somebody thumbs. Yeah, no, I mean a little bit forward. So not to do this only, but forward, right? So the thumbs off. See, and then press. All right. That's for cross hand technique. Now what happen if on the same side hand? So this hand now. So this hand. This time there's three techniques that I'm going to teach. The first one is the Wu Sao, right? The Wu Sao, the guarding hand. Okay, the Wu Sao, when somebody grab you here, do the Wu Sao. See, is there. Wu Sao. Okay, if you do the Wu Sao, the guy still do the Wu Sao, the guy still stick here. So you do the Pat Sao and let it go. Okay, yeah, Wu Sao. Okay, release. The second one, Wu Sao, you want to let go. Okay, you do Pat Sao to release. Okay, next, you also can do the second technique. The second technique is do the Bong Sao. If you know the Bong Sao, right? When somebody grab you, do the bong saw. See, it's released. The bong saw should be in forward. Now, see, it's released. Bong saw, right? If you do the bong saw, maybe not complete, and it's still there, the hand. So you do the tan saw, right? And another strike, if possible. Tan, okay, and strike. All right. That's the second way to release on the same side. The third way is when somebody do this, do the gam saw movement. So gam saw. When you do the gamso, you need to bend your body a little bit. See? So it's release, right? If it's not release, you can do the second hand technique. Okay? All right. So those are the 4 ways of releasing techniques, hand technique in Wing Chun. There's a lot of other ways. All right? But those are the 4 ways. Okay, last one. Last technique is the fist saw. Right, the cleaning hand technique. This also for hand release. Right. So when somebody hit you there, so you do the hand release. See that? Hand release technique. Okay, somebody catch you there. Okay, hand release. Okay. These are also the hand release technique. So that's as a bonus. Okay, guys. Keep on practicing. Keep